Okay, I'm going to do a very quick video on how to access Golden Ruler. So log into your 21 online. Once you're here, go to the menu and then go to your reporting hub. This will open this reporting hub. If you scroll down, you will see Golden Ruler. So go to Golden Ruler. And Golden Ruler is a platform that you use to keep your sellers informed of how many people have viewed the listing and what sites it's been viewed in. So if we go to the left side to my listings, you're going to see all the listings for the agency, for the brokerage. But so you would select your listing. So let's say that let's just say Appaloosa. I already did mine, but if I go to the listing stats, it'll show me here, how many times it's been viewed. There's no views because it's a brand new listing, so I don't really have any views. But for those of you that your listings have been up for a while, you'll be able to see all this information. Okay, so if you go to view a preview just here, this is what your seller is going to get, which is nothing for mine. Sorry. Let's go ahead and set up the how to set up the report that the seller is going to get. So if you go here, then you just enter their information, like the first name, and most of them will probably already have this information. But if they don't, just enter it. So this one is a husband and wife. So I have the husband, his email, and then I have the wife's email. And then I have for it to reply to me if there's any questions. And then it automatically copies me. Okay. And this is what they're going to get. It's just going to simply say your listing, weekly report, online activity, and then just a very small note. And then you can change, these parameters if you want, and then you can send it weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or you can, if you haven't sent one yet to your client, to your seller, you might want to send one immediately so they can get one, and then they would probably get another one on Monday. I think they go out on Mondays. So, and then you would just hit submit. And I don't want to submit this one because I already did it, but you just hit submit, and that's all. That's all that you do. Okay. So this one here is to, if you want the seller to know of listings that are coming up in the market in the same area, and you can set your parameters here. So I went ahead and set the parameters for mine. This one is in Deming, of course, so I went ahead and put 3 bedrooms plus, because my listing is 4 bedrooms and then 2 bathrooms. And then the square footage here, you can change to whatever you want. And I went ahead and did a 5 mile distance from the property, because I mean there's really not a lot going on in Deming. And then I just hit submit, and that's it. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to take you back to show you an existing one, so you can see what it looks like. So if we look at Jonathan's, the one on Lovington, okay, we look at the listing stats. So as you can see, he's got 962 views on his, okay, and then it'll show you, it's gotten 494 on Zillow, 259 on Realtor.com, 201 on Trulia, and so that's where the views are coming in from. Okay, so it'll show exactly where the views are coming in. So if we look at his preview, then his has, of course, more information, right? So this is what the seller is going to see. So the seller is going to see that they've gotten 962 views. They're going to see that out of those views, 494 came from Zillow, and so on and so forth. This here is going to tell the seller where some of these views came from, right? So somebody from Dallas, Houston, You know, Korea is looking at Jonathan's listing. All right. So, and then of course it'll provide the information for the agent. If we go and view more stats, then it's another layer. So you come in and then you're able to see what we saw earlier on the profile for that property, right? So they will be able to see this as well. So this is just a lot of information that the seller will receive, and they'll know that okay, yeah, the property is not maybe not under contract, but it has been getting a lot of showings. So okay, and if we go to view details, it's going to give us another layer. So this one here gives you more information. That'll, but the seller would have access to this. So can you imagine the seller having this in their hands and being able to see this information? So the other thing is that you can go ahead and share directly from here. You can go ahead and share it on, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, right? So you can share it from here, and then this will populate um, wherever you are sharing it to. Okay, so I hope you guys use this. This is super, 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 super duper powerful. So, and I'm gonna go back one more time because I want to show you. So we'll continue with the Jonathan's. So the one on Lovington, this one is in Deming as well. So if you go to view code, it does go ahead and create a QR code for you that you can go ahead and post that anywhere, and they can just scan it and they will get all the information on the property. The other thing is that if we just go to the link, it'll take us to the property site or the property website. Okay. So I hope you guys use this. I hope you guys set up your sellers on this golden ruler. It's very, very simple to use. But I think it will be very powerful for your sellers to receive. Okay. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.